Welcome to the world of JENNEN. The company was established in 2007. It's a Melbourne-based company that specializes in the design of elevator shoes. JENNEN shoes have helped over 150,000 men stand taller and prouder. As you can see right here, the male model appears taller with the help of the elevator shoes, and they are ready for their first date. JENNEN shoes have many styles to choose from, whether it be formal, casual, platform shoes, or even gym shoes. They even have shoes for women, along with many accessories. It looks like my JENNEN shoes finally arrived in the mail. Welcome back to the channel. It's your friendly neighborhood social media engineer with another exciting unboxing. I'm reviewing the newest and coolest electronics and products to determine if they are worth your hard-earned money. Alright, so the shipment came all the way from Australia. Let's see what we have here today. Oh, it's known as the Mr. Kubrick in black in a size 41, which translates to a US size of 8.5. Okay. Oh, wow. They even hooked me up with some additional goodies. Look at this. Wow. This is part of their care package, I believe. Oh, they even hooked me up with an easy lift insoles too. All right, now let's take a look at the shoes first. Wow, everything is properly wrapped up. Wow, this is the proper treatment, guys. Look at this. Each of the shoes come in its own pair of JENNEN bags. Ooh wee, I'm loving this design right here. Oh wow, smelling so fresh and so clean too. Ooh wee, look at this. Oh yeah, this is also part of the care package. And this is part of their warranty card. So this pair of shoes is known as the Mr. Kubrick. It's one of the newer designs. This is in a size Euro 41 or US 8.5. The upper material is made of premium grade cow leather and mesh. The outsole is made of premium rubber. The insole itself is made of non-compressing polyurethane with the JENNEN cushion comfort layer. It has JENNEN logo on both sides. And the total height increases your height 6 centimeters, otherwise known as 2.36 inches for the Americans out there who aren't familiar with SI units. So the visible outer heel is 2 centimeters, but when you combine the total 6 centimeters with the increase in height 4 centimeters. All right, I really like that swoosh logo right there. It really stands out. Nice stitching. Look at the bottom rubber sole. It's got good traction. And this is what the inner one looks like. Nice, elegant design. This can be a casual shoe or even a dress shoe. It has dual purpose design in mind. Oh yeah, did I mention it comes with extra shoestrings? Here is their care package. It costs $19.95. Once again, that's Australian dollars. It consists of the money clip. Let's take a look at that. It's a simple money clip where you can clip your large bills. It's magnetic, clamps down, JENNEN logo. This makes a great gift too. And also this is known as the shoe horn. So the purpose of the shoe horn is to help you put on your shoe better. It fits in the back of the shoe as you put your heel down. And this is their microfiber cloth. It's very smooth and is used to clean your favorite pair of shoes. Wow, it even has a JENNEN logo on there. Very nice, very nice. And here is their Easy Lift insoles. It costs $29.95. So the purpose of this insole is to provide a greater lift for the shoes that you already have. It adds an additional 1.6 centimeters or 0.63 inches. Insert into any shoes to stand tall in comfort. I could definitely use this. I actually have a couple of pair of shoes that comes in mind because it feels low and it's not as comfortable, so inserting this would definitely help. Look at that. All right, different size to choose from. Definitely a lot thicker and more comfortable. This won't degrade over time, keeps its thickness. Wow. All right, so this is one of my favorite pair of shoes, but it's not that comfortable and it stands very low. So let's go ahead and take this out and replace it with the JENNEN thicker soles. Insole, see, significantly thicker and should be more comfortable. So in here, should fit just fine. Oh yeah, we're good to go. Let's go and try these on. See how well they fit. All right. Hey, that's good fit right there. Perfect. Size 8.5 US. So I'm wearing sweatpants right here. Of course, with this color and design, you can pair it with dress pants, khakis, sweatpants, perhaps even shorts and jeans. There's so many styles on the website to choose from. I just decided to go with this because it has a casual and also a somewhat business look to it. All right. So my first impression is that it definitely feels comfortable, but it does take some getting used to because it has a very high heel. So imagine, I guess this is what women wearing high heels feel like, but except it's a lot more comfortable, a lot more stable, and a lot more softer too. I like it. So imagine this is like a weightlifting shoe, a exaggerated squatting shoes. This is what it is, with a exceptionally high heel. Wow, the Mr. Kubrick is super stylish, surprisingly comfortable, and you can't even tell it's a pair of elevator shoes. So if you know loved ones that just want to appear taller, go check out the JENNEN brand. Get high with your own pair of JENNEN shoes.